Jellyfish. Which one is jellyfish? Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Which one is jellyfish? Yeah, jellyfish has hot cross bun. Hot cross bun. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross bun. Give them to your daughter, give them to your son. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross bun. Hot cross bun. Do you know that song, Hot Cross Bun? Yeah. Some people know one more song. Do you know today? Today is English class. Look at mommy. Ha! Ha! Oh, so people, yesterday mommy told you about letter I, right? Do you know letter I, good? Yeah, I is, oh, upside down, sorry. I equal, right? I for ink. I for ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. I for igloo. I for igloo. Okay, it's like a shelter. Okay, today mommy have one more letter is letter J. On an mà con. J. 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 Can you say it? J. 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 The sound of letter J. 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 Can you say it? J. Can you say it? J. 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 Ooh, mommy help. Tan tan tan. That is jellyfish. Can you say it? Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Can you say it? Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Mommy will let you choose after mommy show all the picture. J for jellyfish. One more is tan 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 tan. Juice. Oh, J for juice. 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 Orange. Orange juice, right, guys? Orange juice. Okay. Okay. Wait, mommy, stick it for us. Okay, guys? Okay, J for juice. Oh, okay, that's okay, that's okay. Mommy will let you choose later. Oh, one more picture. Jam. Can you say it? Jam. J for jam. Yeah. Yeah, J for jam. One more last A, jerk. Can you say it? Jerk. J for jerk. J for jellyfish. J for juice. J for jerk. J for jam. J, can you say it? J. Oh, okay. Okay, you want to choose, right? Jellyfish. Juice. Jellyfish. Juice. Jellyfish. Juice. Jellyfish. Which one is jellyfish? Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Which one is jellyfish? Yeah, jellyfish has many legs, right? Has many legs, right? Which one is juice? Juice. Juice for drink. Orange juice. Good job. That one is orange juice. Juice. Can you say it? Juice. Juice. J for juice. J for juice. Juice. Do you know juice? Some people also ever eat orange juice. You ever eat orange, but you not yet drink orange juice. Okay? Can you say it? Juice. J for juice. J for jellyfish. J for jam. J for jerk. Okay? Good job. High five, mommy. High five. This hand. This hand. This hand. High five. Good job. J. 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 J for Jude. J for Jam. Okay. 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 We finish. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Lộc ta lộc dây ông Pú Minh. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yes. After you watch this video, how do you feel? Did you like this video? Yes, I think you really like this video. Don't forget subscribe, share, like and share and comment below if you have any comment. If you have any question, you can ask me as well. Okay, thank you for your watching all my video, even though today. Thank you. See you tomorrow.